Today I'm just going to go ahead and do another video of the startup and shutdown of my Goodman 3-ton central air conditioner. It's a 13 SEER. It's from 2011, 3-ton. It's got R22 refrigerant. It's got a broad ocean fan motor, and it has one of these disconnect boxes. I don't know why that's like that. I don't know what the heck happened here. Something happened in here too. This was the neighbor's unit. I don't know why it's in the same spot. This one's a 3-ton as well, but this one's from 2009. At first I thought that one was from 2007 and this one was from 2004, but it turns out that I was reading the serial number wrong. Goodman's date codes on the serial numbers are a lot different than I thought. It's the first digits. This one's got a Copeland compressor. Sounds pretty nice. The neighbors moved out, so it doesn't run anymore. It's got like a commercial style junction box. This one's also a 13 SEER. There's no spiders. And the cap to the valve is missing. Yep. 2009, 3-ton. 30,000 BTUs. Same motor. This one doesn't have that, those are jets. This one doesn't have that shroud around it. For one, the blades are a little bit bigger. Sorry for that background noise. There, and this one has a newer Bristol reciprocating compressor. I hate that style of compressor. Of Bristol compressors. Here's the logo. It was originally right there. It was originally on the unit right here. Now, this was a lot similar to that Goodman heat pump that I filmed next to my dentist car dealership. That one had 3 blades and it had a scroll inside, and it was from 2012. Yeah, this one's from 2011. There's the line set. Not a bad install. I'm actually going to do a startup and shutdown video of it. So, yeah. I don't know, this might be my new channel picture in the unit itself. I don't know, maybe that rude platform unit at my office I might get a video of. It was actually running earlier. I just got home from school. Yeah, it was actually running earlier. And this one has the shroud. Alright, we'll go ahead and do a startup.
Alright. That's good. Okay, everything can be.
So humidity control doesn't work to anything.
Everything would be cool. Sorry about that. You understand what I'm talking about? It makes sense.
Especially with the water bill coming up.
Yeah. See, that's the whole thing when I'm trying to speculate. Oh, it looks like you got a good balance and everything, but sometimes it doesn't pan out because you don't know what exactly is gonna happen. And so that's okay.
See what I did there? This video is a little bit of a better video. This thing gets very cold. It cools the house well, but this the suction line doesn't sweat. That is very cold. Yeah, it's very cold and it doesn't sweat. Liquid line's not even warm. Oh, now heat though. But that's outdoor temperature. It's not that hot out right now. It's like 78. And here's the new part of the suction line. It's cold. Very cold. Yeah, very, very cold. Listen to that compressor purr. I hate the sound of these compressors. I don't know what this is down here. All Goodman units have that. All the newer ones, like this style. Sure you guys. Oh, almost got my hand on the ant. Go ahead and show the air handler. Ah, fuck. Frickin' tree spiders. Like hanging from the skies or something, I don't know. Keep running into their stupid webs. Go down into the basement. This is just a single story house. It's very dark down here. There it is. 2011, 3-ton Goodman air handler. And the air actually leaks through here. And this actually gets saturated in that. Fucking. Excuse me. That liquid line's warm. Suction line's very cold. But not sweaty. Actually, it's actually colder out there than it is in here. It has this old electric air filter thing. It's actually on right now. It runs. It's got power going to it, as you can see. So it actually helps. It's a very small air handler. Right here's the plenum work. Here's the line set. Here, let me turn on this other light. And here's this big ass return. Look at that. It's pretty big. It goes up to there to the vent. And that goes all the way up here, and then here's our bedroom. Okay. My mom's apparently in there right now. But, we'll go ahead and do a shutdown of it in a second here. Yeah, it's pretty cold. Street cool air conditioners. I'm probably gonna end up, if this thing does die, which is most likely gonna happen, probably in like 5 years or so. Because Goodmans tend to last kind of a while. But maybe in like 2 years or so, it'll die. And then if we're still living here, then I'll either put in a Payne, Bryant, or Carrier heat pump. I'm probably gonna put in I don't know if they sell these anymore, but I'm probably gonna put in a 3-ton Bryant Evolution System unit. But yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna put in. It's pretty dirty, as you can see. On my last video of this unit starting up and shutting down, I said in the description that I'd promise, or that I'd do in a few hours, a cleaning of it. Well, I haven't gotten around to doing that yet, so maybe later. It's pretty dusty. Alright. Go ahead and shut her down now. And there it goes. Off. See if I can catch the air handler shutting down. Sure you guys don't want to just see the fan just spin down the entire time. But yeah. Alrighty. It usually likes to hiss a lot after it shuts off. It's got the energy guide. I can't read it. Alright, there you guys go. Just go ahead and go outside and just end the video there. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed.